Hey! So today I want to talk about nature. So recently my dad's got this camera which you put outside and it detects movement, and then it'll start recording or taking photos when you get movement. And we were really excited about this because I pet rabbits, and we thought, hey, you know, apart from spying on my rabbits in the night, we'll be able to see like any foxes and stuff because we get foxes in our garden. So we've had it the last couple of nights. These are the pictures and the videos we've got. So as you can see, it's pretty much just pigeons and cats. They're the most impressive thing in the world. It's kind of annoying me because I'm like, okay, so I get cats in my garden, I get pigeons in the day, what else is there out there? So yeah, that's what I get in my garden. Do you get anything in your garden? Let me know if you get anything interesting in yours.